I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell you rose to claim it. It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. And there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say they were never true in the games you play. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When laying with you, I could stay there and close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. There's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say they were never true in the games you play. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard someone screaming out your name, and I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. When we fell on the die, 'cause I knew that was the last time. And sometimes I wake up by the door, that heart you call must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard something screaming out your name, and I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Where we fell on the die, 'cause I knew that was the last time, no.